Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply enable email signature in Yahoo Mail on your mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Yahoo Mail app. So I'm going to simply click on my Yahoo Mail app right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on the profile icon. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to signatures. Then at this point here, select the account. If you have a multiple Yahoo account, select an account. Then you have to enter your signature right here. The maximum character of signature you can add is 1000 maximum character. So right here, I will simply click on here. I will put in my name right here. Then I'll put in my position right here. Then I'll put in another position here. Graphics, artist. Then lastly, I'll put in digital marketer right here. Marketer. Then I'll put full stop. So it's as simple as that. Then make sure this is on. And the next thing you can do here is to simply click on back. And by the time you check back again, you have your email signature right here. And each time you are sending mail with this particular Yahoo Mail ID, it come along with your signature at the bottom of the mail. It's as simple as that. So by the time I go back to my Yahoo account, then I'm going to simply switch to this particular mail right here. And then by the time I simply compose a new box, a new message by clicking on here, and then from the bottom right here, you have my signature right here. So I can simply put in a subject. Check this out. Then I can select a mail that I want to send the address. So I'm sending to this particular address right here. And so by the time I come back to the text box right here, I can say, hello, how are you doing today? So you see, the purpose here is that we want to see our signature at the bottom last of the mail. It's as simple as that. So by the time I simply click on send right here, the mail will be delivered to the address alongside with my email signature. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply add email signature to your Yahoo account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.